Hello, my name is Congtai Fen, and my GitHub account is kotalord E000. Merry Christmas. Today is December 25th. I'm from Hangzhou, China, and my CS15 project is called BUMPG. It's a racing game made with Love 2D and Luda. You can run it by opening the folder in Love 2D. Thank you. And then I will play it.